Frog's Point honey. Let's drink. Some people sent me this recipe for beef fizz, and it looks horrifying. So let's try it. Ready for this? Got a glass, got my beef fizz. It smells exactly as you think it would smell. It smells like beef broth mixed with ginger ale. Cheers. That is horrible. It is. It's vaguely slimy because the beef broth is super cold, right? It's got that little fat content to it. The ginger ale adds nothing pleasant to the sensation of drinking cold beef broth. The fizziness just accentuates that made it into a cookbook, folks. You can do anything with your life. Anything. Make beef fizz. Drink it. Gross. Ugh. 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 Don't make this stuff. Just don't. Ugh.